Is your iPhone refusing to charge beyond 80%? Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue is often caused by a feature called optimized battery charging or other settings designed to preserve your battery's health. In this video, I'll walk you through some simple troubleshooting steps to fix this problem and help your iPhone charge beyond that stubborn 80% mark. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off optimized battery charging. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Battery. If you have a newer iPhone, select Charging. For older models, choose Battery Health and Charging. Next, toggle off the Optimized Battery Charging option. This feature helps reduce battery aging but may limit charging to 80%. After that, reconnect your iPhone to the charger and check if it charges past 80%. Finally, restart your iPhone to ensure the changes take effect. Solution 2. Check for iOS updates. Open the Settings app, then tap on General. After that, select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates often fix bugs related to charging and battery management. Solution 3. Use a different charging cable and adapter. Try using an Apple-certified charging cable and adapter. After that, plug your charger into a different power source or outlet. Now connect your iPhone using the new cable and adapter to see if it charges normally beyond 80%. If it still doesn't work, move on to the next solution. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Go to Settings, then tap on General. Next, scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, then select Reset all settings. Keep in mind this will reset system settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but it won't delete your personal data. After completing the reset, reconnect your iPhone to the recharger to see if the problem is resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone not charging past 80%. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below. Have more questions or issues? Feel free to ask. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.